Hey everybody, check it out. The M2R Pro Warrior by Olight. So this is going to be a 2-video series. Okay, for those of you screaming for beam shots, you're not getting them in this video. This video is an unboxing and a first look. There will be a second video which goes over the light in great detail and does beam shots and comparative beam shots. We will be comparing this to the PD36R from Phoenix. So let's open this bad boy up a little bit here. I didn't bring a knife with me, so I have to. That is some of the toughest plastic. Just want to get my finger on the plastic. There we go. That is some tough plastic. So, exterior box. There's some pertinence on it. You can stop that if you would like. Alright, this is the black and blue version. This is not the camo. What do you guys think of the camo? Oh, I'm opening it wrong. So, first things first, thank you for being a part of our Olight family. Enjoy the Olight team. Congrats on your new M2R Pro. Before you first use, unscrew the tail cap and remove the insulating film. It also shows you how the charger works. Sorry for kicking the tripod. And again, the unboxing, this is, ooh, okay. I had seen pictures of this holster. It reminds me of the well tool holster. In Phoenix, you should be watching this very closely. Look at this holster. You know, I love my Phoenix PD36R, but the holster was absolute junk. Look at this. This is actually a pretty nice holster. Wow. That's quite nice. I am not going to lie to you. Dang. Okay. So, holster, there's the light. It's a nice padded holster, a nice buckle. It's pretty like a Cordura material. This reminds me a lot of the well tool holster that I have. I mean, this is a spitting image of it. Not the same holster, but I mean, they look the same. They really do. This is nice. Good job, Olight. Olight has always smoked Phoenix when it comes to accessories. Now, keep in mind, I no longer represent Phoenix in any way, but it was true. Olight spanks them on accessories, guys. It's just a fact. And then inside, we have a little accessory box. Instructions. Two amp, 1.5 amp, 1 amp, 1.5, 2 amp. And the Olight lanyard. This is another thing that Olight was good about, was a really nice lanyard. Again, Phoenix, if you're watching, right? The PD36 came with a decent, they came with a whole lanyard that they've been using for eons, and that's the box. Nice little box, you know. It's a got a magnetic closure on it, pretty decent. Let's take a first look at the light. I love the bezel. Oh yeah, that bezel's fierce. Same old side button they've always used. Deep pocket carry clip. Boy, is that a good looking light or what, guys? Optic. Seems to be the way things are really going, you know. I mean, the quality of the light that these little tears can produce, the optics is kind of hard to dispute. And this was my only bane of contention. Proprietary battery, proprietary charging. You know, that's going to be a problem to some people. I've already read about numerous people that don't really care for that. And, you know, I like to be able to use bay chargers personally instead of that. That works fine. I mean, it's designed for this, but at the same token, you know, I do like a bay charger. Just my 2 cents. See down the tube there. It lacks the double wall, but I understand they had to try to keep the diameter small for weapons mounts. That's how I understood it. They had to keep the diameter small for weapons mounts. Oh, that feels so good. Typical Olight operation. That is a nice light. Let's take a look at the manual. And I don't know. I know some people had problems with theirs. We'll see. We will see, won't we? Hopefully won't have any with mine. So here's some of the pertinents, what you get in the box. And let's jump right to some of the parameters. You guys are probably curious about that. Of course, you got the charging status, like green and red and charging. And what I want to get to, and I think, okay, they've just left it. Here it is. Here, that's what I'm looking for. Okay. So let's take another look at the back of the box at those pertinents. What I'm impressed with is the high, not the turbo. Actually, the medium. The medium, if I recall, that is just dead flat reg. So it would be low, medium. Low, medium. That's a pretty good amount of light, honestly. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that at all. And you can see I have yellow, so it definitely needs to be charged. Let's take a look at something else here. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, so change brightness level, moonlight mode. Of course, there's a moonlight mode, turbo and return, strobe, lockout, unlock. And it's just configuration 1, configuration 2, half press for turbo, hard press for strobe. So there's a couple different cycles on it, but the gist of it is whoa, baby, got all excited here, knocking my tripod around, man. Isn't that beautiful? Good Lord. That's a good looking light. And again, the only beef I have is the proprietary battery. But you know, I don't know. It is what it is. That's what Olight does. It's what they've been doing. But boy, what a good looking light this is. Now, I did get this light off from Skybin Amazon. And I do not, basically I will be posting a link to their Amazon page for these lights. I am not affiliated with them in any other way. Any links I put for Skybin Amazon are not affiliate links. I do not get paid anything if you visit or buy from that link. But I want to thank Skyban Amazon for giving me this example to test. Now there will be a second video for this. The second video will entail a full review, and then later down the road a long-term review. But the next video, part 2, will be a full review with beam shots. And there will be a supplement in it where I'm going to compare this light against the Phoenix PD36. You gotta admit, it really feels good in the hand. It's a good feeling light. This is nice. This was nicely done. This is a really killer little light. So we'll see how it holds up. If you have one of these, drop what you think about it in the comment box below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you like about the M2R Pro. Tell me what you don't like. Are you one of the ones that had problems with them? You drop a link below and go to Skyban Amazon and check one of these out. Cheers.